What's the meaning of audience? Audience. Audience.
Audience. Audience. The term audience refers to the group of people or individuals who receive a message or performance, such as in a theater or on television. It can also refer to the readership of a publication or the users of a particular platform. As a concept, audience encompasses the demographic, psychographic, and behavioral characteristics of the target group, which are important considerations when creating content or advertising. Understanding one's audience is critical to engaging them effectively and achieving the intended outcomes of the communication or marketing campaign.